everybody, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Happy New Year, you guys. Happy 2022, honey. What? How? Like how? I am so happy to be back on the channel. I am so grateful for a new year. I'm so grateful for my family and friends and for you guys, who continue to support me and to, come on and watch when I upload. Yeah, the end of the year was very busy for me, very busy, with my business, with family, and, just trying to stay healthy and everything. So it was very busy. It's been so crazy. But anyway, I'm here now. I hope you guys are doing well. We have lots of new products that came out during the winter and the holiday season, and I am going to play with these new products, and I'm so excited. Okay, oh my gosh. So guys, before we get into it, I want to say a big thank you to you all. We hit 5K subscribers on the channel, and woohoo! Wow, and every milestone that we hit, it means so much to me because again, you gotta remember that it's a journey, right? It's a journey. Thank you to all of you who subscribe, who continue to watch my videos, share my videos. I get messages all the time, and it means so much. Okay, so thank you for your support, you guys. Thank you for your support. So yes, guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna show up you guys all the new products on the screen, of course.
Tonight, better off. I'm gonna find my way tonight.
All right, so let's get into it. I love the at play eyeliners, the metallic liquid eyeliners, especially the copper shade, which is my favorite. And I'm going to show you guys how I've been wearing it. My skin is prepped, of course, when I put my foundation on. I wear the Time Wise Matte 3D foundation in shade Bronze W140. Of course, you guys know that for my eyes, I love to use concealer as my primer. And I love that because, it gives me a nice even canvas to work with. All right, guys, so I'm going into my compact and I'm grabbing Cinnabar to use that as my crease color, and we're just going to work that in. All right, so we've put Cinnabar in our crease. So now I'm going to grab Merlot. I love Merlot. You guys know she's a very beautiful color, and I'm going to pop her in my crease as well, just to deepen the crease. Okay, so just like that, we're just going to go in with Merlot. Merlot is fire. I'm going to grab a clean brush and I'm just going to use that to soften the edges. Okay, just soften that. So that's a good tip. That's why it's good to have more than one brush with you so you can use it to blend and stuff. Okay, if you feel that you have too much pigment on. So now I'm going to grab my liquid eyeliner, my metallic liquid eyeliner. And what I love to do with this is I love to use it as an actual eyeshadow. On days when I'm running errands, I use it to line my eyes. But on days when I want to, have a beautiful look, full beat kind of stuff, then I use it as eyeshadow. So that's what I've been doing. And I love the way it turns out. And it's a beautiful color, it's a beautiful copper shade. I just take it like that, and then I'm just going to work it onto my eyelids and all the way into my crease. And because the formula is so nice, because it does dry down beautifully, it just works. Do you guys see it? Beautiful. You see, even as an eyeliner, it's still so pretty. But then again, I'm going for like a full-on look, right? Now that's on, you just let it dry. It doesn't stay wet for a long time, which is why I really love this formula. It works beautifully and I really like it. So guys, comment down below. Let me know how you've been rocking your metallic liquid eyeliner. And have you been using it as just a liner on the top, on the bottom? Or have you been using it as I'm doing as a full you know, eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, so I just lined my eyes and I'm going to move on to my base. So let's highlight our under eyes. Woo. I'm gonna highlight my under eye. So I want to share something I've been doing recently that I've been loving, and that is I have been using our cream to powder to highlight my under eye. I really love the finish that this powder gives, and you guys know I have a video about this powder, so I will put the link up here for you guys. Go check it out. I love the cream powder, you guys, because again, like I said, it just gives the nicest, gorgeous finish. And I believe this is the bronze 2. No, I think this is a bronze 1. Either, I'll check. So I'm not sure what shade this is, but I'll find it and put it on the screen. Okay, let me do it this way. Do you guys see? And remember, what's great about this powder is, you know, it goes on like cream and it dries to a beautiful powdery finish. Like, I feel like this is like the fullest coverage we have as far as our foundations, the cream to powder, or they call the Endless Performance Cream to Powder. I love them because, again, I think they're like the fullest coverage that we carry. So if you are trying to cover up, like, you know, sunspots, age spots, scars and stuff like that, this definitely is the powder to get. Okay, so, and again, if you're trying to find your match, then absolutely reach out to me or your beauty consultant if you have one already, and she will absolutely match you. Okay, so you can find your, you know, base shade, and then you can go a shade lighter for your under eye, and you can even get a deeper shade like this, you know, for your contour. You know what I mean? So it's super versatile, which is why I love it. So yeah, I've been doing this recently and I've really loved the finish. You know, if I want to go even lighter, then I can even add a little bit of this one, which is another lighter shade. I'll check again and drop in the comments what shade this is, but you can even go even lighter here. But I tell you, ladies, don't sleep on the cream to powder. Don't sleep on the cream to powder. It's the best cover up, honestly. So I'm just going back my foundation brush, and then I'm going to just, you know, work the powder in. So to contour now, I'm going to grab this shade here. I think this is the deepest shade I have in the palette, and use that. All right, guys, so that's our base. Now let's move on to powders. So I got the light medium bronze. I got the medium bronze, but I was kind of curious to see, you know, if I could find like a shade to highlight my under eye with, you know what I'm saying? So I went pretty light. So I'm gonna try it for the first time with you guys on camera to see, you know, if it worked. So then I ordered light medium beige. So we're gonna see what that looks like. Let me see, it might work. It might work. I'll just start with the outer part and see. Again, remember, oh, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. I think it's going to work, and if it works, that'd be awesome. That means I have found the perfect under eye shade for my complexion. Wonderful. All right, let's see. Did I brighten? Did I brighten? I think it did. I think it did brighten. Okay, so ladies, if you are my complexion, we just might have found the perfect. Yeah, I think it's working, you guys. What do you think? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. So ladies, give this shade a try, okay? If you're my shade, if you're my color, my complexion, okay, you might want to check out the light medium beige. Go grab that to use for your under eye. Girlfriend is happy. Girlfriend is happy. You ladies know how important like powders are to our makeup look. So it's always a good day when we find, you know, good powder. So for our face, I'm going to grab, so just getting light medium bronze. I love these because, of course, you know, they have that whole filter cap thing, so you can lock them, which is great for travel. And, you know, you're not going to have like a suitcase full of powder or makeup bag like all spilled. So that's awesome. So I'm going to use this just to set, you know, the rest of my face. These powders are so light, and I want you guys to drop in the comments what shade of the new setting powder you use. All right, guys, I popped on my lashes, so let's finish the eyes. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the matte shade that we use first, which is Cinnabar, and I'm going to just pop that under my waterline, just to give us a little bit of color there. Okay. I'm gonna grab the silver liner. Okay, just use that to give us a bit of a pop on our waterline. And of course, my trusty MK black liner to type my waterline. So I'm going to hot curl because it matches beautifully with the eyes. Okay, just a tiny bit. And I did put a bit of cocoa contour powder off camera, so I did add a bit of that. Okay. And guys, they brought back the beautiful At Play highlighter stick in Rose Gold Glow. So we're just gonna pop a little bit of that, because y'all remember this color from last year. It was such a beautiful color. Grab the tip of my brush. All right, guys, so now for the lippies. We're going to try both shades. I really love this matte and shine sets that they gave us. And what's great about it too is it gives you more options, right? Because you can wear just the lip oil, or you can wear just the matte lippy, or you can wear the matte lippy and then go over with the lip oil. So lots of, you know, options. And marykay also came back with the pH lip balms, which I've featured in one of my other videos. I'm actually wearing the pink one right here. So you see it's gorgeous. The pH lip balms are awesome. So we're gonna go with the rose pink. Hello now. Look at that, y'all. Listen, I look like I'm ready to go for like a business lunch, y'all. Like I'm ready to go, like, go to lunch with the girls. What do y'all think? And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. So this is the rose pink. What do you guys think? Isn't it beautiful? It is so beautiful, right? And it's just as is, okay? So I'm going to put the lip oil so you can see what it looks like with lip oil. And a little bit's all you need, okay? The oil is super shine, okay? Showing up, looking good for 2022. We look good. We look good. And in case you're curious, my hair is by the Virginhair Fantasy. Okay, y'all know I rock with them. They got the finest glueless perucas on the market. Okay, all right, so that's the rose gold. Now let's try the other shade, the cinnamon. So that's the cinnamon, but I'm going to grab a lip liner. So I'm going to grab marykay dark chocolate lip liner. Actually, do I need to line it? No, but I want to, because just to show you guys how you can give it more, you know, more extra something. Okay. That's our cinnamon lippy with our look. And again, this matches the eyes as well. The pink was a beautiful statement. The cinnamon is just as gorgeous. You know, nice nude lip with this beautiful copper eye. Hold on, let me just get my finishing spray. I feel like I don't show you guys when I spray my face much, but we do have a beautiful finishing spray by Mary Kay. Okay. Just make sure that our hair is giving what she needs to give. Okay. All right, so the look is complete. Okay, for this one, I'm not gonna put no oil. I like it matte, but of course, like I said, you can't put your oil on it, right? So let us finish off our look with these beautiful fragrance that Mary Kay came out with. All right, these are not on a regular line, so they're just here for a limited time, and they're still available, I believe. So, you know, hit me up or hit your consultant up if you want to snag these. They smell so good, honey. So good. And what's great about them is you can layer them. Okay, so one is a velvet scent and one is a blush scent. So I like to layer. All right, you just put it like this. Okay. Oh, honey, you need to get this. Get this, get this. Okay. I'm layering them, so not just going over with the blush scent. Okay. And we're ready. So guys, there you have it. That's our look for today. I love them. I love them. Of course, they are fabulous shades. Mary Kay is amazing. Okay. I love the new setting powders. You guys just saw me use them to set my face as well as for my under eye. So what I used today, remember, is light medium beige. So I got the light medium beige for my under eye and I love it. Okay, it's not like even crazy bright as I thought it would be, but it's perfect. It's actually perfect. My base, actually, I can get away with both of these, but I believe I use the light medium bronze, and the other shade I have is the medium bronze, and I can get away with either shade. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I want to say thank you to every one of you that have clicked that subscribe button. Because of you, now we are 5,000 strong and counting. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you had a wonderful new year. We pray for a better year. And I do want you ladies to comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see next. All right, I think I really want to be getting your inputs. It's very good when, you know, you guys can tell me what you want to see. Let me know. Okay, that is why I have this channel. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Have a blessed 2022. Stay safe, be safe for you and your family, okay? And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Showing up, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?